What's the best answer if you have to choose between red velvet and a brownie? Well, we'd say both, because you can now bake a red velvet brownie all by yourself with simple ingredients. Cooking Company will take you one step at a time into making this easy to make and delicious red velvet brownie. First, we get a mixing bowl and we add 200 grams of softened or room temperature butter. Give that a whisk. And now we're going to add some sugar to the butter, which is also the same amount, 200 grams. You can use an electric whisk if you want to make things a bit quicker. Then we add 2 eggs. We can add them at the same time. We don't need to add them one at a time. Now, this whisking process will take a little bit longer, so we want to make it nice and smooth. Next comes our food colouring, which, of course, is going to be red. You could choose any colour. You could do blue, purple, green velvet brownie. Why not? Now, to that we add the vanilla extract, which gives it a lovely flavour. You can buy some brownie mixture ready-made from the supermarket, so we'll just sift a bag of that in to get rid of any lumps, and then we'll give that a whisk too. We want the texture to be really, really smooth and shiny like this, so that's our batter ready to go in the oven. Before we do that, we're going to just steal a little bit of that butter and put it into a piping bag, because we're going to be using that later. This is going to be an absolutely magical dessert. So now we put our red velvet brownie mixture into our baking tray. Onto some baking paper preferably, because that helps it to not stick to the tray. So generously putting that in, but don't fill it right to the top, smoothing it over, because we're going to need that space later for our cream cheese topping. Now, while that's bubbling away, we're going to make our cream cheese layer. So we add cream cheese to a mixing bowl and give that a whisk. Next, we're going to add 200 grams of sugar, just like before. Whisk that together. The next thing that's going to happen is we're going to add egg white. Egg white only, 100 grams. That's approximately 3 to 4 eggs, depending on the size. We want to whisk it till it's really smooth and shiny. Add some vanilla extract once again, and there we have our cream cheese layer ready. So now our red velvet brownie is baked and ready out of the oven. So we're going to add a nice big healthy dollop of cream cheese frosting on top, and we're going to spread it out nice and evenly. Now this should fill to the top of your baking tray. Smooth it over just like that. Now here comes the fun part. We get to decorate. We're doing a nice spiral pattern. We're using the red velvet brownie mixture to make a pretty pattern. Now if you want, you can get a stick or something like a toothpick to swipe across the piping that you've already put on there. And look, we have a beautiful looking sort of Charlotte's Web. Now we bake that at a slightly lower temperature, 150 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. And there you have it. Red velvet brownie. Amazing. Go on then, give us a slice. Mmm.